Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a charity shop haul. Yes, I'm going to share what was in this bag when I went shopping in the charity shop with me video that I posted. The one where I went to 6 shops in one day and then got really mad because the prices were out of hand. We had a little bit of discussion about that in the comments, and maybe we'll leave it there. I'm trying to be positive vibes about things, but let me tell you something that really annoyed me, because who wants to buy a used Primark jacket for £50? I'm still not over it. I'm trying to be positive about it, but it just pissed me off if I'm being honest. But anyway, moving on, I will share the things that I did end up picking up. So yeah, let's just get straight on into it, shall we? So I picked myself up a new pair of jeans because I do not fit in any of my jeans right now. I have these ones on right now. They are about 2 sizes too big. I'm pulling in a belt at the moment. It's making me get that like paper bag waist trend thing that was on years ago. So I'm like right on trend just a couple years later, but it's not a good vibe. Anyway, so I picked these up. These are a Topshop. It says size 10, but to be honest, I tried on a pair of Topshop ones a minute ago that I already own in the exact same size. I thought these were the size bigger, and they did not fit. But these ones here are like stretchy jeans, and I used to be a sucker for Topshop jeans, so I just bought these ones. They're a Topshop straight jean, and I got these for a £5. I thought that wasn't too bad because, like I said, I'm just not sure of my size or anything at the moment. As you can see, stretch, so that might fit over my ass, and I'm quite hopeful for that. And they were only £5, which I think was fairly all right. Even if you're buying it off Vinted, you're paying for postage and stuff anyway, aren't you? So £5 for that. Pink jumper, you would have thought this is the reason that I went to the charity shops the other day, to buy a pink jumper in this exact colour, because I needed to wear a pink top for a video coming up. So if you see this pink top, you'll know I've got a sponsor, because I'm very thrilled about it. But I have a sponsor coming up, and they wanted me to wear a particular colour just for like brand stuff, just in case they want to reuse the content for their socials and stuff. So they wanted me to wear a specific colour. This is the colour. I'm so thrilled about it. Like, I will not ever stop talking about this. Well, once it comes out, we'll talk about it then, all right? So this jumper here was from, where's this from? The British Red Cross, £6.75, so a little bit more than I would typically like to pay. That charity shop was a little bit pricey in there, but the things were really lovely, and it wasn't like your typical junk charity shop where you have to like sift through and it all smells. It smelled really nice. But yeah, this is just one from F&F. It contains wool. It definitely feels like it contains wool. Let's have a look at that. 55% acrylic, 32% nylon, and 10% wool. So it's not even that much wool, but it feels great. And like I said, an exact colour that I wanted. And I was going to buy the Primark version on the day anyway, the exact same jumper, but this was £6.75 instead of £17, so I felt like that was a bargain. Then I picked up, that's where my mic is. I left it in the bag. I could not find this for the past couple of days. It's been in my shopping bag the whole time. Silly Billy. Oh well, I've already started filming now. And then I also picked up this in there. So this here just isn't my typical usual style, but I thought it was really nice. And I thought coming towards Christmas and stuff, when you need a few more fancier outfits, because I have no going out clothes at all. Like, I'm literally just sweatshirts, leggings and jeans at the moment. That is what it is. It's very much legging season, and I'm not mad at it, but I picked up this. Look how nice this top is. Like, it's cute, right? It's one of their like Zara pieces, you know, when they bring in Zara. I don't know if they just buy loads of like return stock or something, but this is so nice. So I couldn't resist it. It was a little bit pricey, but look at these buttons and look how thick this fabric is. Like, I'm not even sure you can tell. It's like the thickest fabric I've ever blooming seen. It's got these cinch waist parts. That is nice, you know. So this was, I don't even know what the fabric is. It feels like a viscose or something. 54% polyester and 35% viscose. Yeah, it feels like, you know, like heavyweight viscose fabric. That's what this feels like. But I don't know, I thought this was really nice, and it would be nice going out top, like a posh top. Look at that. If I had a fancy office job, I'd want to wear something like this. Anyway, like I said, it was a little bit pricey, especially for a charity shop. £11.99. but I really liked it, and I thought that would be cheaper than Zara. Maybe not cheaper than Zara in terms of like sale stuff, like you might be able to pick that in a sale, but yeah, we move. Anyway, moving on, these here I picked up in, I want to say, the Cornwall Hospice charity shop, Claire's Accessories, Halloween bows. Now these were originally, it says £8 and they were £2, and they was just a load of their like old new stock, if you know what I mean. So brand new, there they are. I picked up 2 sets just because my sister, she has 3 little girls and they all wear matching hair bows in like bunches and stuff. Usually she likes pairs, so I picked up 2 pairs. Look how cute they are. I would probably wear them myself, I'm not gonna lie, but yeah, I thought that was a bargain. Whilst I was in there, I was like, you know what, I'm having a great time, I'm on my jollies, and I picked them up. Next thing I picked up was this frame. Now it has got this separate in, and that's just a print, and I wanted this because of the frame, basically. See that frame? It's already dinged up, it's already a bit battered, and I just really like this like shape and size of it for a DIY. So that's what I'm going to do this afternoon. That's why I'm actually making this video right now, because I'm like, oh, I should do that so that I can actually use the frame. But this is the frame. Look at that, that's a nice size, right? £3. I didn't think that was too bad. Solid wood, and we can get DIYing this, so stay tuned for the video of that, because that will be coming soon, I hope, anyway, because you know what I'm like, I put things in a corner and I forget about them, like this bag. Picked up some fabrics just from Fabric Shore to do another DIY with. I'm filming all my DIYs, by the way, behind the scenes, so you just have to bear with me on that one. So this was a bit random. I picked up a denim skirt. You always need a denim skirt, don't you? And I have one in my wardrobe which now is way too big. I tried it on the other day, I thought that's not going to work out for me, so yeah, just this denim skirt, really plain. I didn't know the brand of that, but it looked very much Y2K. But anyway, it's like this sort of length. I thought, cut it off, that would be good for a concert. I actually have a concert this week on Thursday. Very excited about it, I'm not gonna lie. I picked up these trousers, these ones here, just to cut up, just to turn into something. Really nice fabric on there. A no-name brand. This was in the clearance outlet charity shop. So, oh my goodness, I thought it was a no-name brand. What is this? Tesco, as in like Tesco. Is that the same Tesco as in supermarket Tesco? I've never seen that label before. I need to Google that in a bit because I'm intrigued by that. Anyway, £1. Then I picked up these, again, same situation, really nice kind of like, what would you call this fabric, like velour fabric, velour like corduroy. Again, picked this up just to cut up because it felt good. It's 100% cotton, autumn winter 2013 from BHS. Bought it for the fabric. What's a girl to do? And again with this one, again for the fabric, because we had DIY girlies out here, aren't we? We love the DIYs, and DIY upcycling clothing, it needs to be done. We're saving it from landfill, and we're saving ourselves a fortune from fabric as well. This one here says Amaranto. What's Amaranto? I don't know. Sometimes it says like a different shop, doesn't it? But I don't know what that is, but I liked the fabric again, and I thought we could do something with that. Like I said, this was the clearance charity shop. I never feel guilty about cutting things up from there because it's the one last place they go to before they get destroyed or go to landfill. So it's like their last chance, if you know what I mean. And then I found this as well in there, which I just picked up for myself. It's just a little cardie. I thought it was really sweet. Just a little like, frilly collar and frilly little edge and down the bottom. Isn't that sweet? £1 this was, and this is just a Adster one. And yeah, I think it's just acrylic, whatever. It just feels like a like cheapy cardigan, but yeah, just acrylic and polyester. But I thought for £1, wear that a couple of times, that'll be cutie patootie. So that's all I got. I just thought I'd share it with you because, like I said, gonna go and upcycle this frame now. And now I've released it from the bags because I've done a haul. I always feel like I need to save stuff in the bags. Even when I get deliveries now, I'm like, oh, save that, I'll unbox it on camera. So I hope you know that I'm always thinking about you in terms of the hauls and everything. I just realised I got all these flowers out. That's from my job that I left. Yes, I have left my job now, but they gave me lovely flowers and that's so nice. I'm so thrilled. So anyway, I hope you have a fantastic day. Thanks so much for tuning in for this little mini charity shop haul, and I will see you again very soon for another video. Lots of DIYs coming, by the way, because I am literally hand making my Pinterest board. I created a Pinterest collage and now I'm hand making everything, so I'm filming it all along the way as well, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, hopefully I'll see you again very soon for another video. Bye.